Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari 488 versus F12. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, starting with their core power plants. The 488 introduces a modern, forced induction approach, while the F12 embodies a more traditional, naturally aspirated philosophy. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to appreciating what each incredible machine brings to the road and track. Let's dive into the details. Under the hood, the 488 twin-turbo V8 engine generates 661 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque, offering instant response. The F12, with its magnificent naturally aspirated V12, pushes out 730 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque, providing a linear power delivery and an exhilarating sound. While the 488 is incredibly quick, the F12 often boasts a slightly higher top speed, exceeding 211 miles per hour. When it comes to driving, the 488 feels more agile and track-oriented, with its advanced aerodynamics and responsive steering making it incredibly precise. The F12, on the other hand, excels as a grand tourer, offering a more comfortable yet still immensely powerful experience for longer journeys. Both cars showcase stunning Italian design and feature luxurious interiors crafted with premium materials and cutting-edge technology, ensuring a sophisticated cabin experience. In terms of practicality, the 488, with its slightly more compact dimensions and modern features, can feel a bit more manageable for everyday use. The F12, while still a joy, leans into its role as a more exclusive, traditional Ferrari, often appealing to those seeking a classic V12 experience. Ultimately, both are incredible machines, each offering a unique slice of Ferrari's legendary performance. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.